guys, it's Shaniqua Dasher and
Kayla Dasher
of Dasher Creations, and welcome to Summertime Fun with Dasher Creations and Crayola. We are super excited because Kayla gets to make her favorite thing, which is
butter slime.
Butter slime.
It's like my favorite slime.
Yeah, okay. So I actually love butter slime as well. It's not as ooey gooey, and it's really smooth, and it's kind of satisfying to play with, I must admit.
Yes.
I must admit. So, we're making butter slime with Model Magic. I'm super excited about this. It's a very quick craft, super easy to do. And without further ado, let's talk about these materials so we can get into it, okay? So, my favorite thing to do is add math, and we get to measure. So that means measuring is
math.
Yes. So, we're going to be measuring with our tablespoons. So if you're not tablespoons, excuse me, teaspoons and tablespoons. I think you need 1/8 a teaspoon and a tablespoon. So just get your whole little set. Probably need about 1/4 of a cup measurement. If you don't have 1/4 of a cup, you can take 1/2 and cut it in half, and that'll be 1/4 of a cup. All right. You need contact solution. You need water. You need baking soda. You need
lotion.
You need glue. Now you can use the Crayola school glue, or you can use this really cool washable color glue, which is actually like school glue, but it has color to it, okay? So we're gonna actually use that, and if you use school glue, then you can just use a color for your Model Magic. We're gonna use white Model Magic and use the color glue. It's okay. Goof. Oof. All right, you need some Model Magic, okay?
We're going white.
You're gonna need, this one is white. We need 3/4 cup Model Magic. If you notice on the measurement on the package, it's in grams and ounces. So 8 ounces, you know how many ounces in a cup?
No.
Okay, so there are 8 ounces in a cup. So how many is this? What is this? This is a
cup?
It's a cup because it's 8 ounces. So we need 3/4 of a cup. So that means you basically need 6 ounces of Model Magic. So we're gonna kind of chop this up so we can make it 6 ounces, okay? And then a bowl or 2. You need 2 bowls. I'm using 2 plastic bowls that we can discard or we can keep for slime later, okay?
Yeah.
And then some craft sticks so you can mix with. And that's all, yeah? All right, so the first thing you're going to do is take 3/4 cup of glue. How many ounces did I just say 3/4 cup was? So 8 ounces.
6.
Ah, you little smart girl. So 6 ounces of glue. Well, how many ounces are in each of these?
There is 3 ounces.
3 ounces, okay. So how many of those do you need for 6?
2.
2 of these. Okay, so let's pour it all in. Come on, let's go. This is so satisfying. Okay, you have the trash can over there? So we can throw the lid away. Ooh, look. Pour it on in. We need every drop, so be careful. Get closer. You don't want to lose it. All right, so you need every drop of this glue. Look, it's coming. So you need 3/4 cup of glue, and we're getting it all out of there, which is basically the same as 6 ounces. And then you need a 1/8 a teaspoon of baking soda. All right, so right here I have 1/4 a teaspoon. I do not have an 1/8 here. So what I'm gonna do is take my 1/4 and cut it in half. Here, you hold this one so I can get the 1/8 a teaspoon of
I got a
baking
little
soda.
bit of washable glue on my finger.
It's okay because it's washable. All right, so I'm doing half of the 1/4, which makes an 1/8.
It looks like we already made the slime. Let's just touch it.
And luckily these particular measuring spoons I have are even all around, so that makes an 1/8. All right, after we put our 1/8 a teaspoon baking soda, we need a tablespoon.
Tablespoon?
Yeah, tablespoon is different from a teaspoon.
They're different.
You need a tablespoon of lotion. Any lotion will do.
Baby lotion, adult lotion, dove lotion.
Tablespoon of lotion. So let's squeeze that.
I think you can do less.
Kayla, you needed some moisturizing. There we go. Just needed to shake it down a little bit. Tablespoon of lotion. And the cool thing is you can actually use your craft stick, just like I'm going to use the craft stick to get this out of here. You want to use a craft stick for the rest of it?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
But look, I came in prepared. I magically pulled out a lotion bottle from nowhere.
Oh my.
So if you need more, I have some.
Alright, cool, thank you. I should have used that one so it can have like some lavender, some calming properties in this butter slime. That's okay, we can just make more. Alright, so after that, we stir. Alright, so
It's gonna fall out.
it's beautiful.
It looks like cotton candy.
It does look like cotton candy. That is so cute.
It is so pretty.
Alright. So, oh my gosh, tell me guys where you are tuning in from. I forgot to say hello to you and ask you where you were coming in from. Where are you tuning in from, guys?
Hey Mom, can I tell you the new land I'm tuning in from? Cotton Candy Land.
Cotton Candy Land. All right, anybody out there from Cotton Candy Land? I actually love cotton candy. It's one of my favorite things. It's full of sugar, but I love it all the same. Okay, slime girl. Okay.
But it's not fully mixed yet.
Okay, let's mix them. All right, so now you need 3 teaspoons of contact lens solution, and you're gonna add them in half a teaspoon at a time. So I'm just gonna put all 3 in this measuring cup right here, and then you're just gonna scoop a half a teaspoon at a time and add it to the existing slime. Whee!
It's not slime yet.
It's not slime yet.
The power of yet.
The slime-ish situation.
I mean, it looks like slime, but it isn't.
All right.
Don't get fooled.
And this craft is best done with a parent.
I will not do this into your work.
Okay.
I am an independent woman.
Okay,
I am DIY.
independent DIY woman. Well, while this independent woman does that, I am going to open the Model Magic, and I'm going to divide it in equal parts. So we said that this was 8 ounces of Model Magic. So I'm going to make it, because I need it to be 6. All right, independent woman. Here, slide that over there and you can stir.
I can stir it now?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
All right, so.
It's forming in slime, guys.
Cool. So this is in half. So now we have 2 4-ounce sections. And now I'm dividing it in 4 sections. So now I only need 3 of these sections to be 6 ounces. So I'm just gonna take off this end right here.
I feel like a mom who's cooking food for her children. The DIY cooking show. This is how you stir.
We're cooking with Crayola. Do not eat slime, okay?
Don't.
No, this is not
Unless
edible.
you make edible slime.
Even though it says butter, it's not butter, okay? It's
Snoop.
Model Magic. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, and I'll prep this and Kayla can do it. The next thing we're going to do is put your 6 ounces or your 3/4 cup of Model Magic in a bowl, and then you're going to add an 8 ounces of water to that until it like basically mixes up, and then we're going to combine the two.
Hey Mom,
All
can I
right?
say something?
Yes, ma'am.
If your slime is like slimy at first, all you gotta do is mix it up with your hands after you're done mixing.
So is it okay? So yeah. So the big thing is, do you think this is a slime consistency yet?
It is.
It is.
All you
Okay.
got to be honest, when I first made it, I worked really hard to like gather it all up in my hands.
It is a slime consistency.
And
Good.
it works.
So you want to make sure that it's a slime consistency and it's not sticking to itself anymore. And this is a slime consistency. If it's not a slime consistency, just add a little bit more
Contact lens.
solution.
Can I keep mixing it?
I want you to mix this one.
No, but I want to after I come to cooking, Mom.
Okay, Cookie Mom. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this one. All
Wait, no,
right.
I want to mix it.
All
Let's
right.
switch spoons.
Switch. Okay, there we go. Pour
Here,
that
you have
in.
my crafting stick. Where's
Take
it?
mine.
Here, I'll take yours.
Or you want to wipe it off? Well, it doesn't matter because we're gonna mix the colors anyway.
Yeah.
So here you go.
I'm gonna wipe it off.
Pour it up. Here you go.
Here we go.
There we go. And I will
So I
continue.
just poured it in the mix.
Pour it in and mix. Yep.
Wow,
There
that
you
was
go.
so little.
That was, yeah. It's supposed to be an 1/8 cup.
I didn't get to enjoy anything. How am I supposed to get this to move
We may have to mix it up
with our hands?
with our hand. Up. See, all the water's at the bottom. You gotta get the water down there. It's the water that I already poured. There you go. Mix it up. Yep, there you go.
Move it.
All right, you got the water mixed in.
I think it's all stuck up somehow.
All right. Now we're going to combine the two together. You ready?
Put them on a magic.
Oh, wait, there's still water down there, girl.
But it looks like it was all sucked up.
Mommy's a little stronger.
Sounds weird.
Just making sure we get all this water in here. There, yeah.
I thought it was contact lens.
That's nice and squishy and good. Okay.
Feels
Now-
like slime.
Now we're gonna mix it. Yes, it is. We're gonna mix them together.
Yeah.
Whoa. All right, you ready?
Teamwork.
Teamwork, you ready?
Yes.
You gonna do it with a spoon or your hands? Oh my goodness.
I think it's close to the part where we have to use our hands.
I think it's time for hands. Let's go for it.
We can't take it out of the bowl though.
All right, let's go for it. Oh my goodness.
Don't worry, your hands are gonna get better later.
They're gonna get better later.
Trust me.
Me and slime. Oh my god, this feels good.
Exactly. You just gotta keep mixing with your hands.
You just gotta keep it. Oh my.
You have to get used to it. You can't stretch the slime yet.
I can't stretch it yet.
No. You have to get used to the slime so it's not sticking.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, it's slime now. I was nervous that it was gonna be stuck on my hands, but it just needs to mix together and it's real. Oh my god, it makes this popping noise. It's amazing.
She's addicted to slime now.
Okay, I might like
I'm guessing she's gonna take this with her on every trip.
but only this slime. It's like butter slime.
It is butter slime.
Okay, I'm sure I'm supposed to let you play with this, Kayla, but
Yes, you
I
are.
don't know. Guys, do you guys like playing with slime? Oh my god, it just feels so good.
Mother, give me that.
No, it's my slime. Oh my god. Guys, this is anytime when you make slime next time, just make sure you make sure your mom magic, guys. Okay,
It's so late.
Look, my hands are completely clean. I'm gonna let Kayla play with it for just give me a piece, okay? I'm gonna and it makes this like popping sound. I'm gonna like
It's so stretchy.
it's amazing. Oh my gosh.
It's better than slime I could ever make.
Okay. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Like, this is it. Okay?
Exactly. It's really light.
Please tell us if you make it this at home, and if you do, hashtag Crayola Crafts, and let us know if you make this butter slime that feels amazing that I'll probably have in my purse to play with. Maybe.
We're gonna have to make you a slime collection.
We're gonna have to make me a slime collection just with this Model Magic butter slime. All right, guys. Until next time, we will see you later. We can't wait to create with you.